Does your electricity bill include peak power fee? Configuring the SAJ app correctly enables AI to optimize this cost intelligently. In just a few simple steps, configure the peak price template and let the AI start saving this cost for you automatically. First, open the SAJ app. Click the top right corner to the rate plan settings page. Please choose Import Rate Reconfigure Input by Yourself Custom Tariff to include additional charges such as peak power fee. Step 2 is crucial. Please add the following to your electricity bill under grid fee, transmission fee, fixed charge, energy tax, maximum power fee 1. Under trading fee, add electricity price. For dynamic pricing, select dynamic rate. If the fee type is not listed, click the plus button to add it. Now, enter the price for each item accurately according to your bill.
Överföringsavgift 00625 kronor snedstreck KWH.
Fixed fee 365 krona per month. Energy tax 0.5488 kWh. Then select the electricity price API and your region. Please note, leave the price field for maximum power fee 1 blank for now. We will set it separately in the next step. Click to enter the configuration for maximum power fee 1. Please set according to your billing rules. Measurement interval 1 hour. The power is measured as hourly average power. Monthly peak power calculation by day. The 3 hours with the highest hourly average power distributed over 3 different days. During the month, average of peak power on multiple dates. 3. The power fee is based on the average of the 3 highest power peaks. Average of peak power across hours in a day. 1. You can only have 1 power peak per day. Off-peak peak handling 22 to 6 o'clock. Select half peak power. Every day between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. it is also cheaper to use the electricity grid. Then only half the power peak is counted. Dates without peak fee. If your tariff includes free electricity on weekends and public holidays, please select this option. Unit price. Enter your prepared peak electricity rate per unit, e.g. 81.25 krona per kilowatt. Once all settings are complete, click Save. Finally, if you need to reduce peak power, we strongly recommend that you enable the peak shaving feature under Preference Settings at the top right of your AI page. Set a power cap and reserve sufficient battery capacity specifically for discharging during peak periods. After understanding the first example, let's examine another bill sample to see how the electricity rates are configured in detail. Step 1. Select price components. Under grid fee, select energy tax, maximum power 1. Under trading fee, select use the plus button to add variable cost, rålig kostnad, and fixed surcharge, fast påslag. Under electricity price, select dynamic rate. Step 2. Enter the price.
Energy tax 0,5488 kronor snedstreck KWH rörlig kostnad 0,1582 kronor snedstreck KWH. Fast påslag 0,0563 kronor snedstreck KWH. Then select API for electricity price. Leave the maximum power fee 1 field blank for now. This field will be filled in during the next step. Step 3. Configure rules for power charge, pricing and calculation. This is the most important step. Enter Solarheavy Energy's terms and conditions here. Measurement interval 1 hour. Monthly peak power calculation by measurement point. Average of peak power at multiple points 3, based on the 3 highest hourly values. Off-peak peak handling 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Select ignore peak power, no charge during this period. Unit price summer, April, October 56 krona per kilowatt. Winter, November, March 135 krona per kilowatt. Click on Save. After the configuration is complete, navigate to the Trading Preference Settings page.
Enable the peak shaving, and set the values for peak shaving power limit and peak shaving reserved SOC.